Okay students, now today we'll be dealing with the location of India. This is chapter number 1 of our geography book, class 11th. I am Jugal Singh, PGT Geography, KV number 1, Air Force, Jodhpur. Now from my side, it's good wishes to all the students. I, Jugal Singh, today will memorize you with some important facts and some easy tricks. Now students, first let us know about the syllabus of class 11th. We have two books for theoretical part and one book for practical part. This is book number 1 which we are dealing today. Now in the first book we have 7 chapters. In book India we have 7 chapters, and the other book we have 16 chapters. So calculating, I find 7 chapters would be comparatively easier to score equal marks while we study 16 chapters. So I'll be teaching you chapter number 1, some of the basic facts which are tough to remember but easy if we try some tricks. Now what is the latitude longitude stretch of India? It's a tough numerical value, but if we can have some tricks it would be easy. Now first, if we look at it, it's 8 degree 4 minutes north, 37 degree 6 minutes north. These are the two latitude values from south to north, and 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. Now let us look at how we'll be remembering it. Now let us look at first this. 8 degree 4 minutes north can easily be remembered if we look at the values. Let me just first give you an impression. What are the values? This is the northernmost value, 37 degree 6 minutes north. Now if we have this 68 degree 7 minutes east, which is near Gujarat, the westernmost value. Then we have this 97 degree 25 minutes east. It's around Arunachal Pradesh on the easternmost boundary. Now, these are the latitudes and longitudes. These are the values once again. Now if we find that 0, 3, 6 and 9, the first values of all the lat longs in India are actually the multiples or the additions of 3. From 0 we have 3, then 6 and then 9 below down the order. Just look here. This 0, 3, 6 and 9, these are all in the ascending order, right? Now if we look at the other things, like if we look at the other values, that is 8 degree, 7 degree, 8 degree and 7 degree in the next column, we find that both the numbers are 8, 7 and 8, 7. So there is a sequence in these numbers. Now the third row, which is 4, 6, 7 and 25, that is the minute sign, all the values are in ascending order as I have marked it here. So we get 4 values, that is 4, 6, 7 and 25, all in ascending order. Now the first two values, which are the latitudinal values, they are having the north written at last, and other two values, which are the longitude values, we have written east because we are lying in the northeastern side of the globe. Okay students, the first two values are the northern values and the other two values are the eastern values. Now if we look at all the values and if we look at these, now we find that 6 degree 8 degree 4 minutes north in the southern portion is the southernmost latitude of India. 8 degree 4 minutes north, it is the southernmost value here. Now 37 degree 6 minutes, this along this part is the northernmost latitude of India. 68 degrees 7 minutes east, it's lying to the border of Gujarat. This is the westernmost longitude value of India, and around this zone, this one is the easternmost longitude of India. This is 97 degree 25 minutes east. Okay students, let us go to the next class. We are just highlighting all the values. Now after understanding the lat long stretch of India, let us look at standard meridian of India, from which we can calculate the time. Now we come to notice, or we have learnt from book or from various sources, that 82 degree 30 minutes east is the standard meridian of India, as it passes through the middle of India, that is from Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh, from north to south. Now this line 82 degree 30 minutes is exactly 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich. Please take it a mark ahead. It's ahead of the Greenwich. This is an important fact. So every time we add 5 hours 30 minutes to the Greenwich line to calculate the time. Now let us go to the next slide. For calculating the standard time, this line which we are marking, this line is the standard meridian of India, and the time is calculated standard time 82 degree 30 minutes east for calculating standard time of the whole of the country. There may be some confusion between the people if we do not have a standard time, and actually due to the longitudinal stretch we are having a difference of 2 hours in the local time, but for the standard time only the longitude 82 degree 30 minutes will be calculated. Now where lies the major latitudes? We will be discussing this in the next chapter. Next slide.